Was young. She was the mother and the ate of our group. And we would always ask for her advice. And if ever, she's also a peacemaker within our group if there's any tampuhan within the group. So, Lisa talaga is a great. You could even ask her nephews and nieces. Siya talaga naging mother nila when their parents are away. She's always there for them. And not only for them, but also for us, so nieces and nephews. She's fun to be with most of the time. We always go to her place, her room actually. That's where we always gather, start off, and then go out. And what else? Nako.
Music.
Si Lisa is always the last time I talked to Lisa before she died was a week before she died, and she called me up here in the canteen. We were still managing the canteen that time, and she called me up and said, like she said, "Hey Jenny, what are you doing?" And then I said, "You, what are you doing? You haven't come up here. I haven't seen you for days. You haven't visited me for days." And she said, "Okay, I'll come up on Fiesta." And I said, "You better. You better show yourself on Fiesta." And she said she's been quite busy with some, I think, laboratory tests that she has to go through. She was feeling a little, there's some tests that she has to go, and that time, that Fiesta, I was waiting for her, and I found out that day that they rushed Lisa to the hospital. I think it was this, like the 29th of November. I think it was so early in the morning that they rushed Lisa the 29th of November, and I passed them at St. Luke's. I saw the car of Uncle Manong Bonnie with Uncle Bonnie, and that's when I found out that Lisa was in the back. But I didn't know that Lisa was there. So it was in Fiesta that I found out that she was in the hospital, and I said, I'll go and visit her the afternoon. When I found out that she died, and it's really, it's like I said, there's an appointment that we're going to see, and I said, Lisa, don't come see me today. So, it was a shock, really, knowing that she left so suddenly. And we still miss her. Sometimes Betsy and I would talk and would say, we really do miss Lisa's presence sometimes. And we try to make it a point to visit her in the environment.
Thank you, Ma'am Jenny. Wala si Betsy eh. Oo, si Betsy yung batchmate mo eh. Sino? Si Jerry?
Jerry!
Batchmate mo ni Jerry? Tawagin nga si Jerry, baka may masabi.
Jerry!
Jerry, halika.
Jerry!
Mga kapatid, pasok po tayo. Pasok.
Sige.
Bago ko tawagin si Ma'am Becky kung okay na siya, malakas siya, or Jerry, naglalakad ka na ba? Hindi kita makita eh. Sige, baka meron sa inyo gusto magsalita tungkol kay Ma'am Lisa bago ko tawagin si Manambek. Manambek! Are you okay? Mamaya babasahin, sumulat sa atin si Esther Bulag Lingayo. Sumulat si Benedict Madela. Sumulat si Ambrose Maingan Lake Sumebang. Bagiwet pala, Bagiwet.
Maingan Lake niya.
Sumulat si, ang dami. Sumulat si Bal.
Uy. Balengo.
Sumulat si, ang haba na ito, si Beverly. Sumulat si, mahaba din to, si Dick Kilay.
Uy.
May marami pa, so mamaya papasa-pasahin natin dahil may mga ipapasabog silang hindi natin alam. Chismis. Ayan. Wala na, mga kaibigan dito si Ate Jenny lang, no? Jerry! Jerry!
Jerry. Ayaw. Why contrary? Ayaw.
Kaya mo na, ayaw na.
Sige, kung wala, sa Ate Lisa. Ate Lisa.
Ay!
Ate Becky.
Baka tumakbo ka kung lumabas sa dyan.
A few words lang, si Lisa Asyam, ate ng lahat, from the very beginning, na nag-umpisa sila as older young, lahat na ng batches na kasama niya. Lahat ng batches hanggang sa namatay siya, alaga niya. Yun ang totoo, pinakatotoo. Alam natin lahat yan. Kung manonotice yun sa mga pictures, mula yung batch niya hanggang sa iba pang mga younger batches kasama niya yung mga yan. Secondly, a very, very good Sunday school teacher. Actually, very ano siya sa promotion ng Sunday school. So, notice mo, madalas ang kasama niya yung mga kabataan sa Sunday school. She was always there for the Invitation Church School at saka yung regular Sunday school. Actually, hindi pa ako get over sa pagkamatay niya. Kahit na 4 years ago yan. Kasi para sa akin, siya yung kapatid na sumanday at pinagsandayan ko. Even mas bata siya kaysa sa akin. Dahil naging problema kung andoon siya at lagi kami magkasama niya. Hanggang sa nakaisip lang siya pumunta ng Baguio. Pero even nung nasa Baguio siya, naging ano siya sayang. Lahat ng pupunta ng Baguio siya, pinupuntahan. Lahat ng magbabakasyon doon, yan pa rin ang nasa isip niya. So yan si Lisa, ang yan pa rin ang nasa isip niya hanggang sa namatay siya.
Salamat. Tinatawagan ulit mga nasa labas. Pumasok kasi may mga mensahe tungkol sa inyo. Ligaw. Tinatawagan din si Jerry kasi kailangan siya rito para dagdagan yung listahan ng batchmate niya dahil